So we have pedal assembly for DPW's builds that we're doing OEM build on. So this is straight from the blasters, and we're gonna put a tripod, little mini tripod, and you're gonna watch me take it apart and find out what issues we have. Spring is broke, so we'll get a new spring. No, we can't. So, if you remember back in the, when we first did this, I showed you that this was broken. It looks like it was riding on this pedal and kind of broke it apart. So let's see if we can't find a replacement. Look at that wear. Yikes. It wasn't spinning. One part good. So if we're keeping tallies, one part good, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts bad. So kind of just a quick lesson. If you're going to be driving a pin out, you're going to need a tapered one to transfer energy into the pin. Once you have it loose, then you can take the non-tapered one and tap it out. If you try with this, it's going to end up looking like that. So, break loose, tap through.
Please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and enabling notifications to never miss out on new and exciting content.
And safety goggles. Hey, we have another part we're going to replace that's all beat up. The pedal, straight, no bends. Hey, part number 2, that's good. I don't know. It doesn't look bent. We're good. So I look at the hook, and I don't know from factory or not, but you kind of see the wear in it. I always like to take the edges of this and then kind of radius them so that the cable can rotate or twist or whatever, and it doesn't have a hard edge. It kind of like gnaws, kind of like this, kind of gnaws on the metal. So if you make it all nice and curved, it won't have friction and wear out. Also, lubing it helps too. Lube is your friend. Hey, worked out one try, didn't lose it. That's good. So, you can focus on that right there. That one there too. So something has beat the face and kind of put a little indent and kind of raise the outer part, so this won't, just kind of holds it from popping off. It's not stock, so we use a little file. beat up here. We'll smooth the bottom of the pedal out. Bushing on the inside looks good. Grooves for the spring look good. That's easy. So all our good parts, all our bad parts. First time I've seen that. It's like, forget that it's worn or forget that it's sticking and just shove it.
What's up, AirkewldArmy? The hats are in, they look stylish. Even me, this absurdly ugly looking dude, can look pretty fresh with this new Airkewld hat. We have them in stock for a limited time. You can even get this shirt that kind of hides the little, you know, comes in all the popular sizes, large to 3X for those 3X boys. We got them, they're stylish. You need one, support the pros. We appreciate it. Links in the description.